sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Walang sino man ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Tayong lahat ay may pananagutan sa isa't isa. Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos upang makapiling niya. Tayo ay nakakaramdam ng nararamdam nila dahil tayo ay galing din doon. I have always believed, lahat ng nakaranas na maging Boy Scout, yung Boy Scout oath and law, that I have an honor. I will always do my best in what I do. I will serve my country, not only my country, but also my community. I will also be mentally fit, of course, for myself, for physically fit for myself, but I will serve above myself. We continue sending young people to school, in college, trying to help pay in full yung mga tuition fee nila. We continue to help those in need ng ating assistance, whether it is in goods, limited as it may be, or financially.